I am Vijay Yadav from Techno India Group Public School, Bhopal. Today I will teach you a poem from your literature book. From this book, poem name is Who Stole the Bird Nest. Stole means who somebody has stolen means चुराना. Bird's nest मतलब बर्ड के नेस्ट में से किसी ने बर्ड के नेस्ट को चुराया. Next, this poem is about a bird who built her nest and laid egg in this nest. One day she went out, and when she returned back, what she found? Somebody has stolen her nest and her egg. So when she didn't find her nest, she moved here and there and asked everyone to whom she met in her way. Now let us begin. Two wheel, will you listen to me? Who stole 4 eggs I laid and the nice nest I made? So when she returned back, she asked to everyone. She moved here and there. To whom she met in her way, she asked. First she met to a cow and asked her, "You have stolen my nest. You have taken my egg." The cow said in her voice, "Moo moo. No, I have not taken your nest. I can't do that. Because when you are making nest, जब तुम अपना nest बनाती, I help you, I give you a wisp of hay, I give you hair to build that nest. So how can I take your egg? How can I take your nest?" Again she moved forward and asked to the dog. She met to a dog and asked her, You have stolen my nest, you have taken my egg." The dog said in his voice, "Bow, bow. No, I am not so mean. मैं इतना गिरा हुआ नहीं हूँ. I can't take your egg, I can't take your nest. I give the hare the nest to make. I give you here when you were making your nest. So how can I take your nest? I am not so mean." Next, she met to a sheep. And she asked her, do you take my nest? The sheep said, No, I would not treat a poor bird. I can't behave like this with you, because I gave you food when you were making your nest. जब तुम अपना nest बनाई थी तो मैंने तुम्हें wool दिया था. Wool means ऊन. The sheep said in her voice, "Ba ba. Oh no, I can't eat the poor bird." Next she met to a crow. She asked her, "Have you taken my nest?" He said in his voice, "Caw, caw. I should like to know who which thief took away." And he asked to the bird, "What thief you took away the bird nest today?" "I would not rob a bird," said the little Mary Green. "I think never heard of anything so mean." He said, nobody is so much mean that can take your nest and that stolen your egg, because we are not so cruel. One boy who was standing there, he listened all, and he became feel ashamed. Why he feels shame? Because he had taken her nest, he had taken her egg. A little boy hunched down his head. Now he bent down his head with the shame and said, "For he stole that pretty nest from poor little yellow breast." And he felt so full of shame, he did not like to tell his name. And he felt so ashamed that he is not like to tell his name. So this poem is about the bird. So we shall like a human being, animals also have emotions, have a feeling about their children, about their home. So we should therefore try to teach these animals. Thank you. Have a nice day.